Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the pressure switch on this Electrolux front-load washing machine. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. A faulty pressure switch would often result in a couple of different issues. The most common one that you'll find is an F35 error code, which will say that the unit is overfilling. It might put tons of water in there to the point where it goes up over the door, or maybe it'll continue to drain because it thinks that there's too much water inside of it. These are both common problems with a faulty pressure switch. To begin,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive in-field experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.